Now we will solve question number 40. So in this question, they've asked that examine the complementarity between technological change and institutional change in enhancing agricultural growth in India. Examine the complementarity between technological change and institutional change in enhancing agricultural growth in India. Next part is suggest some measures for adoption of technologies for sustainable farming system in India. So the second first part is suggest some measures for adoption of technologies for sustainable farming system in India. Let's find some solution of this question. Okay, so technological change and institutional change can complement each other in enhancing agricultural growth in India. So, technological change and institutional change can complement each other in enhancing agricultural growth. Okay, so technological change can help increase productivity and efficiency in agriculture, while institutional change can help facilitate and the adoption of dissemination of new technologies as well as improve access to inputs, markets, and credit. So technological, I am using the short form of technology that is can improve the productivity, whereas institutional change can improve input, market, etc. Okay, so in the context of agriculture, technological change can refer to a wide range of innovations such as improved seeds, irrigation system, and farm machinery. Whereas institutional change can refer to policy reform such as liberalization of markets, strengthening of extension services, and improving access to credit and insurance. So technological change actually it technological change actually influences the wide range of innovations where institutional change can influence the liberalization of markets, strengthen of extension service, and improving the access in credit market. Okay, so some measures that can be adopted for the adoption of technologies for sustainable farming system in India. And this is the second part of the question. Measures for sustainable farming. Those measures are, first one is extension services. Extension services. So, strengthening the extension services in agriculture can help farmers to access information about the latest technologies and practices that can improve their productivity and sustainability. Second measure which can be taken care of, that is extension services, and the second part will be the access to finance. Access to finance. Farmers need access to credit and insurance to invest in new technologies and manage the risk association with adoption. The government can promote financial institutions that are focused on agriculture and provide them low interest loans. Another measure which can be taken, which can be taken, that is investment in research and development. So investment in R&D, research and development. So research and development can help to improve and develop new technologies and practices that can increase productivity, reduce cost, and improve sustainability. Some other measures are training and capacity building. Training and capacity building, market linkages, so extension services, access to finance, investment in R&D, training and capacity building, market linkages. What is that? What is that market linkages? The government can establish linkage between the farmers and markets to ensure that farmers get fair prices for their produce. So overall, the complementarity between the technological change and institutional changes is crucial for enhancing agricultural growth in India. So adapting technologies for sustainable farming system can help improve productivity and sustainability in agriculture, which in turn can contribute to food security, poverty reduction, and also the rural development. So this is the entire solution of this question. Thank you.